Alright guys, let's see if these things will cut. If you watch my videos, I bet you know which one I'm gonna pick. Pause the video and put in the comments which one you think I'm gonna cut with. Alright. Yep, blue. See, show cut. I can't see it. Pretty sharp. Good and sharp. Alright guys, now that we know they'll cut, yeah, anybody watches my videos knows that blue is my favorite. We'll talk a little bit about these knives. I'm not gonna go over I'm not gonna review, make 3 different review videos on basically the same knife. And what you got right here is called a Texas Toothpick, which that's a first production run, and so is that one. That is blue. It's blue saddle horn bone, silver nickel bolsters, brass liners. It is a slip joint. It's about 5 inches. It's a 2.5 inch blade with a 3-inch body, and closed is 3 inches. It's a really neat looking knife. I mean, I used to have a bunch of these. I don't know. I may still have them somewhere, but I don't know. I'd have to dig out through a bunch of boxes to try to see. Seems like I used to have about 30 of these. I don't know what that first production run of this actually means. I don't know. I mean, they are made in China. This is Black Hills Frost, which is Frost cutlery. And I do have just a plain old Rough Rider. Now, this is supposed to be rock chip bone. I didn't mention that. With a jigged rock chip bone. And this is, I think this is synthetic. I think it's synthetic stag, maybe. I can't remember. I don't have the boxes to none of these, so I can't really give you a good explanation. But this one does have a little bit more information. Where is it at? Right there. It is 440 steel. Those I'm not sure of because it's not on the blade. I like these. I think they're cool. I really dig these knives. I know I had an orange one for sure because they were all first production, and I've got a case. I think I got a couple of case and about 10 more Rough Riders somewhere. I just don't know where they're all at. But anyway, these are a cool little gentleman's carry knife, I would say. If you do something you want to slip, like if you go to church or go to some kind of meeting where you don't want a big bulky knife, this be something good to stick in your pocket. I like them. I think they're cool. I thought maybe you might like them. I'll keep this kind of simple because this is a very, very simple knife. Just a straight up nail nick. Cool little blade. I like them. I dig them. I think they're well made. Yeah, I can definitely tell this one's not bone because it's not as fat. See how much thicker that one is. Most of the time your synthetic stuff is thinner, or it might be the other way around, but I know these are bone. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, if you found anything useful, I know it's a pretty quick video, but ain't really a whole lot you can say about these. There probably is a lot of history behind them. It's a toothpick at, basically a steak knife. I mean, if you That's all you got to cut something with. They will cut. I like them. If you don't have any of them, I highly recommend picking up at least 1 or 5 or 10. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one, and thank you.